Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to install DC power outlet to your Kawasaki Z900 2020. And I looked around on YouTube and nobody has a video how to install that. So I decided to make a video for all of you guys and for me. And let's just see what's inside the box and we will go from there. So this is everything inside the box, and now I will show you guys how to install on the bike. So there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 Allen screws that are going to come out, and the screen should come off. There are washers in there, make sure don't drop them, guys. And then you're gonna need a 10mm socket wrench, and I would use an extension just to make sure I don't scrape anything. So this comes off. This section has to come out as well. There are one screw right here and one right behind, and then we have same on the other side, here and here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these 4 screws out, and that should come off hopefully easy. So after these 4 screws from each side comes off, you just have to pull it up, and you can disconnect those indicators. There are simple plugs. You can just take the metal bracket out of here. It comes off. Just take a screw to un. There you go. So the indicator just comes off like that, and then now we'll have access to the accessory cable right here. So if you look in here, and here is the accessory cable right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then there is a tape. I'm just gonna cut the tape to bring it out, and I'll show you guys in a second. So just have to be careful and then cut the tape with little tiny scissors, and then you should be able to have access to this. So now I'm gonna start installing the mounting bracket. So take this screw off. Put this piece in here. Like that. And this bracket goes. how it's supposed to be. All right, after getting everything assembled in the gate, you're just going to have to put this cover behind this thing as it goes. This screw goes in here. That's it. I have exposed the wires. I can go ahead and put this back on, and don't install the screw on the right side of your bike, but it's on your left right now on the camera. So just put that in. And this bracket is going to go just like that. So the final screw is just going to go over and then connects to this mirror. How it's going to look. And just connect the bullet connectors so you can not make a mistake. So this is going to go so once you have those connection made, there is a tie that comes with it. You can just circle it. Now just tie everything up. Now I just have to put these screws back in on each side and put the front screen on, and we're almost done. Is done. Just put your screen back on, and that is it. Alright guys, so this is it. So this is the DC power socket for your Z900 2020, and I think I would say Kawasaki is charging way too much for this thing. It shouldn't be this expensive. I think only thing they're charging for is the bracket that they made, that it goes really nice in perfect spot for the power socket, and it's waterproof. That is it guys, and thank you so much for joining in, and please like, comments and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. So this is it guys. Thank you again and have a nice day.